Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Here we're showing something you don't see every day. 78 Ford Granada two-door, 302 automatic. So pretty nice old car, come out of Arizona. It's had a repaint, nice driver quality repaint I'd call it. A little paint cracked right here. I mean, there's a few little flaws. Original vinyl top. You can see it's got a little cracking right there, and then a little shrinkage right here. So interior's nice shape, except for the driver's seat right on the seams. You can see them. Carpet's good, mostly original, I would say. 52 751 is what it's showing. That's pretty cool. Still got the important safety sticker from back when Ford did them. Dash is good. Like I said, carpet I'd say is original. You got a little fading there. And then same thing with the door panels. They got a little discoloration. This is upside down. There you can see a Marty report on it even. So it's gets down to one of these came with no other option. So it's 302,075 Granadas. Gets down to 5,000 were brown, 2,000 were brown with tan interior, 34 had the bumper protection group. So not a huge deal because it is a later model car, but still does have Marty report. Doors shut good, drives good, runs good. Like I said, paint's decent quality or repaint. So this car, you just buy it and drive it. I graduated in '83, so I had friends that drove these in the early, when we were in high school. Couple door dings right there, you can see. Them would probably come out with PDR. So pretty cool car, pretty decent, a few flaws, but for the price range we're talking about, definitely a future classic. 605-695-7391.